feel disgusting because, I don't know, my throat kind of hurts. Don't worry, it's not COVID. It's because there was so much dust yesterday when we went to practice. And I inhaled all of it. Like, right after practice. My nose was so, like, snuffly. And I feel gross. And my body hurts. I was gonna wake up kind of early today, but now it's like 6:20 because I wanted to sleep because I felt so gross. This is just a vlog of me telling you how terrible. Just kidding. But I also have my math test today, so I'm so excited about that. I'm actually putting on sunscreen today. Outfit of the day. I have a smoothie now and some trail mix. And I'm ready for the day. It's not even like I'm sick. I just have like, cause the dust. Literally as soon as I came home for practice, I was like sneezing so much. It's filming. Tell them how you think you did on the test.
Yo guys, we just took a math test. It's really fucking stupid. I could have done really good or really bad. Here's Caitlin.
Hey guys, I think I failed it. I could have done like decent, like an 80, but I also could have gotten a 50 and I would never even know until she grades it. What's your predicted score?
About like a 0.
No, seriously. Then we can see if you're right.
Like a 70.
70. Okay, well, we'll see. Do you think you did better than me?
Probably.
Okay. Hi vlog! Hi guys, my mask is so big. It looks like I had a face apron, but anyways, how are you today, Liberty?
I'm doing really okay. I keep crying and then like laughing at myself because I think it's funny.
Why are you crying?
I don't know. I'm just stressed the fuck out. Am I allowed to swear in your vlogs?
Yeah, I swear all the time. I cried yesterday. Haven't cried today yet.
That's
Wait.
good.
Yeah, no, haven't cried today yet. But even though I feel like shit, my allergies are so bad.
I was sitting in yearbook and I was like crying. And then I just started randomly laughing. And everybody in there looked at me like I was actually insane because like apparently that's not a normal thing.
No, I do it. It's fine. It's fine. We're going to lunch now. We're so excited. Our 30 minutes away from, kind of away from this fucking hellhole every single day.
It's so bad.
I was thinking, like, isn't it so insane that we have to come here 5 days a week and then we only get to leave 2 days a week?
That's not
And we just have to do it over and over and over
like,
for the rest of our lives.
For what reason? I repped about 230 on the squat.
What did I talk about?
I don't know.
Hey guys, I got locked out of my Tinder account.
Yeah, Lindsay, we do a daily Tinder swipe every day and she got locked out and I'm so depressed.
Yeah, I just re-downloaded it and we'll see how it goes.
Try and re-log into it.
It's still downloading.
Here, I'll show them my lunch. Hey, here's what we're munching on, nomming on. Peanut butter jelly. Little string cheese. Oh, wait, why can't I see it? Oh, because you're putting it on this side when it's right here. I kept moving. I was like, what's going on? Some trail mix. Some Cheez-Its. Yeah, exactly. True to size. Yeah, I was like following it and I was so confused. What are you eating? What are you nomming on today, Lindsay?
Today I'm just gonna munch on this. Yeah, but I can't even open it.
What is it? What's in it? Turkey?
What is in it?
I don't. That's the question we're all asking. LOL.
You guys! There's no saving it. No more.
I didn't say that.
Fucking Tinder swipes.
You're on Bumble or something.
Ooh.
Okay, hey guys, it's Emma.
Hey, we're doing some AP multiple choice.
It's so fun. It's so fun. So fun.
Hey guys, I'm back.
Patrick said you didn't want to be in the vlog. That's illegal.
Oh.
Hey guys, so I came home. I left before 6th hour because my allergies are so bad and I needed to take some Zyrtec. So I went to the store and bought some Zyrtec and now I'm gonna wait here until track because I literally sneezed 9,000 times
And I know it's allergies because it started as soon as I got home from track, like with all the dust and stuff. I was just sneezing. It's just so much sneezing. It's nothing else. Just so much sneezing. And now all my sinuses are like, because I'm sneezing so much. I'm not going to practice because I feel like so disgusting. And so I feel bad about that, but my ears feel like gross. Plus, you have to answer this questionnaire when you get there, like, are you coughing, are you sneezing? And I'm gonna have to be... Hey guys, so I'm working on something for English that was due literally like 2 months ago, but apparently I just like didn't do part of it, so she just told me, and I just like don't even, that was 2 months ago was a weird time in my life, so who cares? But I'm doing it right now. Pretend that that's not off. So yeah, I'm gonna finish that. Then I'm gonna take the notes that I missed in science today, and then I'm gonna edit, and then I'm gonna sleep. I'll probably stretch because I'm really kind of sore. Look at that, like hair. I need to cut my hair. Put in the comments below how short you think I should cut my hair. Right now, it's literally like pelvis length. So should I cut it to like here? Should I leave it long? What do we think? Leave it in the comments below. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish my homework and then I'll like vlog a little bit more yeah. I got a cookie. I think I'm just gonna stretch and roll out my shins and then edit my video and then go to sleep because I want to go to sleep early so I'm not like dying again. And then I'm gonna roll out my shins because I don't want shin splints this season. I'm gonna try and avoid it as long as possible. So yeah. But thanks for tuning in to the vlog. Forgot to say hi, hey, hello in the beginning. So hi, hey, hello. And I will see you tomorrow. Make sure you like the video and comment. Thanks.